Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of RC Classic Garage. In today's episode we're going to be fixing an issue that has developed on this Ferrari 360, and that is the slowdown warning light has come on. The 360 is fitted with catalytic converter or CAT temperature control system, and the purpose of this system is to prevent the catalytic converters from overheating. So if your cats do overheat, it could cause some serious damage to these catalytic converters, and they are expensive to replace. So the exhaust gas temperature is measured through a thermocouple, which can be found down here on the cat. So that thermocouple is connected to what is commonly called a cat ECU, as you can see here. These cat ECUs can be found behind these side panels in the car. So the thermocouple is connected to the cat ECU and sends a signal to the cat ECU. This cat ECU then converts that signal into voltage and sends a signal to the main ECU of the car. So in diagnosing your problem, what you're going to ensure is that your cat isn't actually overheating. Now I know that my warning light comes on when the car is cold and it comes on intermittently, so I know my cat is not actually overheating. So therefore the fault either sits in the thermocouple or in the cat ECU. Now because these cat ECUs are so problematic, it is always highly likely that it is your cat ECU that is giving the problem. And there are companies that have gone out and made a replacement cat ECU, which is a better unit. So about 2 years ago, I had an issue with this car for exactly the same reason, and I changed the cat ECU on the left-hand bank. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to take a guess that it is the right-hand side that has now malfunctioned, and we're going to be putting the replacement part into the right-hand cat ECU. So after removing all of the covers, you can see that the cat ECU is situated over there, and that is pretty much still the original one. So it's as simple as unbolting those two bolts, taking out the cat ECU, changing the two wire connections over, and putting the new one back in through the same bolts. So cat ECU out, it's just a matter of plugging the new ECU in. So the new ECU is in, and now it's a matter of just putting the covers back on the car. So now covers are back on, all we need to do is test that it's worked. We don't seem to have the slowdown light anymore. So just returned from a test drive and all appears to be good. We haven't got the slowdown light coming on again. So as I said before, if you know your cats aren't overheating and you have got a slowdown light on your Ferrari 360, it's either the thermocouple or the cat ECU. The thermocouples very seldom give issues. The cat ECUs are troublesome. So I've now replaced both cat ECUs on this car. That one on the left hand side I did about 2 years ago. The right hand side, as you see, done today. So I hope this video helps anybody who has got a similar issue. Thanks all for watching, and see you all again next time.